Srangshala Agartala Private Educational Institution School of Science ni Rwgwi Jammu-Kashmir Khorang ni Chisar Lukurok Goli Kokjagwi Thwimani Rwgwi Chati Mwswngwi khadumani Phunuklaikha Ashlo Chati Mwswngwi khadumani Phunuklaikha Agartala Private Educational Institution School of Science ni Rwgwi.
Today we all assembled here to condemn the dastardly act of terrorism that happened at Jammu and Kashmir. We strongly condemn and we strongly appeal to the government of India to take appropriate steps to apprehend all the people who are responsible for yesterday's attack. 28 people, rather innocent people, have lost their lives for no reason. Terrorism, any part of the world, whether it is Jammu and Kashmir, whether it is in Northeast or any part of India or any part of the world, should be condemned in the toughest and the hardest words that is possible. We are there with those families who have lost their kith and kin, and we pray to Almighty that Almighty give them enough strength, the relatives, so that they get enough strength to face the present crisis.
Khorang Chini Khorang